Here I have Jaecoo 5, and on this example let me show you how to enable the screen cleaning mode. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the settings. So this is the settings. Then you've got access to all settings of your Jaecoo. You need to find here the display section. As you can see, I've got already display opened, and here you've got the screen cleaning. So if you'd like to clean your screen, you need to tap the screen cleaning. Now, as you can see, I've got my screen ready to be cleaned, and I can clean it. If I would like to quit this screen cleaning mode, I need to hold the screen for 5 seconds. So let me show you. Now, as you can see, I can clean it, I can touch it, nothing happens. But if I would like to quit it, let's just hold it. And the screen is cleaned. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.